Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you an amazing experiment of magic of science. Not only that, at the end of this video we'll reveal how this magic of science happens. First of all, we'll see this amazing experiment. After that, I will reveal the magic of science. Now see how it works. Suppose we are taking a cardboard. You see there is nothing in the cardboard here. You see right here, this is on the side, and we put it here, right? After that we'll take two glass. You see this is one glass and this is another glass, right? You see here that is there is nothing in this glass also. You see here there is nothing in this glass. First of all, we will show you the magic of science. After that, we will reveal how this happens. Now, you see here, if we take some water in both the glasses, you see here, right? We have taken water in both the glasses, and you see here we have taken this salt, table salt, with this glass of water. So here we have taken table salt with this glass of water. Now see, if we take two wires, right? We will take two connecting wires, and you see what happens to this magic of science. You see here we have taken here two wires like this. Here you see we have taken two connecting wires with this one, right? After that we will take two blades. Here you see we have taken two blades and connect both the blades with these wires, right? Suppose we have taken one blade here and another blade with this black wire. Now the question is, if we put both these wires in this salt water, right? First of all, we will stir the salt water such that the salt melts in both the water. You see here. Now, if we put this blade in this salt water, and if we put this blade in this salt water, and if we connect these wires with an LED, let us see whether it glows or not. You see here we have taken an LED and we will see whether it glows or not. Now here you see we have taken two glasses of water. We put salt water in both the glasses. We join this glass of wire with a blade. You see here this is a blade, and we join this glass of water with another blade, right? Now let us exchange this one. We put it here in this way, and we put this blade, the negative blade, in another glass, right? And now we'll see whether it can produce electricity or not. You see we have taken an LED, right? We have taken an LED and we'll see whether it glows or not, right? You see we have joined this positive terminal, and if we join this negative terminal with the negative terminal of the LED, let us see whether it glows or not. Here you see it is glowing. We see very clearly that the LED is glowing. But our question is has the salt water any power to produce electricity? That is our question. Here you can see that the videos or there is a tricks behind this project. We cannot light an LED with the help of this salt water, and in this way we cannot produce electricity. But how this LED is glowing, that is our question. Actually, this type of videos are very viral in YouTube. But how this happens, that is our question. We will reveal how this happens, how does this LED is glowing. There must be some battery or some source of power that it is glowing. But at the end of this video, we will reveal how this is going to happen, how this LED is glowing. Is there anything in the water? Is there anything in this glass of water, or in this glass of water is there any battery here? Let us see. You see, if we take this blade and you see that in this water there is no battery. You see here, right? Here also you can see that in this in the glass of water there is no battery, right? Now we'll see how this happens. Actually, there is a trick behind this video, and the trick works in the video of YouTube, that there is something outside the camera which helps them to glow this LED. Actually, outside the camera we have some tricks to show you that this LED is glowing with the help of salt water, but this is not true. We'll explain, we'll reveal how this is going to happen, right? You see here, first of all, you see, we'll check with an continuity tester that this glass of water or this glass is a continuity test or not, that whether electricity can pass through this glass or not. Let us check with the help of continuity tester. If we take this continuity tester and put it, you see here that it is glowing. That means it is a good conductor of electricity, and this glass is also a good conductor of electricity. See here, it is glowing, right? That is, it is good conductor of electricity. Now, how this LED is glowing, that is our main question. You see here that the LED is glowing, that there must be some source of power, that's why the LED is glowing, right? How we can show you that how this happens. Actually, there is a trick behind this type of videos which you see in the YouTube, right? If we take this blade, and show you the glass, you see there is a trick behind these two glasses. If you take out this glass, you see here there is a wire or connection which have power, right? You see, and if you take this glass of water also, there is another source of power, right? And from this source of power it is, and we already showed you that this glass of water is a good conductor of electricity. Now we'll check whether this is, what happens to this one. If we put this one blade with this, connected with this one, and if we connected this one with this blade, you see that there is a glow of this LED, right? And you know that we have taken here water and put salt in it, right? We have connected this wire with this wire, with this glass with this wire, right? And we have connected this glass of water with this source of power, you see, but you cannot see this source of power. You see here, you cannot see this source of power, right? Behind the glass there is a source of power, and since we have taken glass of water with salt water, and we know that salt water is a good conductor of electricity, we put this blade here, and you see, since this is also a good conductor of electricity, salt water is also good conductor of electricity, and you see that's why the LED is glowing with the power source, nothing else. In this way, we make videos such that we make tricky videos. You cannot understand how this happens. And if you see how this current electric wire is here, you see here, if we put this camera, because all the tricks are behind the camera, if we move the camera, you see here there is two wires here, one wire that is black wire and another wire that is red wire is behind the camera. That's why we can get a source of power from here and get a source of power from here. And if we connect this glass of water with this source of power, connect this glass of water with this source of power, and the LED is glowing with the help of power source. That's in this way we generally the YouTubers make videos to make such tricky videos. And you see, and we think what we think that this LED is glowing with the help of salt water, but that is not at all true, right? In this way, someone make trick videos like this to show you that it is an actual videos, but these are all tricky videos. Dear friends, if you like these videos of revealing, then please subscribe, like and share, and we'll make all such type of revealing videos such that you may know what is the secret behind the project. You see, what is the secret of this project? The main secret of this project is the working behind the camera, right? That is our important goal. What is happening in the behind the camera, that is our important, and we make such type of tricky videos, and you see and you will be surprised that how this LED is glowing. But there is nothing surprising, because there is a tricks behind this out of camera, right? Whatever we are doing is behind the camera, that is the tricks, right? And you know, an LED or whatever, a motor or a fan will not work without electricity or without any battery. That means we hide these batteries, we hide this power to insufficient power, and we hide this power outside the camera. That is our tricks. Dear friends, if you like these revealing videos, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.